of this Westgate Resorts specialty tablet. It's developed by Hexa. Never heard of them. Let me go on, open up the box. Wow, it looks like almost like a Samsung tablet, but it's running on a Windows. Here's the tablet itself. Nice slim design. So I want to put it to the side. Okay, let's go on and open up the box and see what's inside of the box. So I guess seems like in here you got some goodies. You got a USB 2.0 charger. You got some cheapo headphones. Toss those to the side. Probably not gonna use those. And then you have a straight up wall adapter, which is wired straight to the brick, as people call it. Power supply is what it's really called. It's powered right straight up to that, and then some other information that everybody doesn't need to see. So let's bring the tablet back on over, and let's power it on. Wow, it's already powered on. That's a little strange, huh? I thought so too. So, let's go on and get the camera to focus back in. And let's sign in. Wow, so far so good. Quality's not that bad. I have no idea about any of the specs on this tablet. But if you guys want to get really close, I can't see too many pixels with my eyes. I don't really see too many pixels. It's a good thing. It looks like it's running on maybe Windows 10 maybe. So you probably could hook up one of your keyboards to it. Go into settings and see what it's actually running. Let's see, where would they put it at on these? I'm not a Windows guy. For developers, find a setting, Windows update. I have no idea where I'd find this at. Well, it's not the snappiest of all. We can say that. It's not the snappiest of all, as we can see. Let's go on and hit. Let's try to see what's a good thing to test out. The speediness of. Let's go to Edge, which I guess would be their internet browser. It's got some pretty cool features. I think it only has a front camera. Oh no, it has a rear shooter too. So let's go on and test out the cameras. Oh, that is the actual button. That's one thing I was curious about. Let's go on and test out these cameras. I just saw it. Close out some apps. So far it seems like it's a pretty good device. It seems somewhat snappy. It's got all of the hotel stuff on it, which is pretty cool. Let me go on and open up all apps. See either the camera app. There we go. So there's a camera app. Oh God, it's exactly what we all would probably here to expect.